Hello guys, welcome to the Roblox Squad, and today we're gonna be playing the train tunnels. So let's go ahead and start this video. Okay, I do not want to play by myself because this okay, I do not want to play by myself. The infamous train tunnels was a decade-long project that connected multiple cities together. However, due to a high maintenance costs and safety issues, the establishment behind the tunnels came to the conclusion to decommission the tracks. Little is known regarding the state of the tunnels, as it has been sealed off from the public ever since. Luckily, you and your friends are a group of skilled urban explorers who have gathered enough intel and tools to attempt to start exploring the tunnels. Good luck. So you're telling me that there's a haunted train in the tunnels? Oh, that's creepy. Okay, we got some people. Yes. Okay, so they have voice chat, but I can't. Okay, I can't turn on my voice chat. Climbing down. Okay, this is cool. Explore as you navigate the tunnels. Keep your eye out for any room you can become lost. Okay, collect the same room. Blah 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 blah. Escape. Okay. Oh, I should have read that. Oh, no. Hello? Hello? Where are y'all? I'm scared. No, actually scared. Okay, let's go. Wait, is that the only room? I'm going back. No. Oh my gosh, Nalu. Okay. So I think this is the map. That's the entrance, exit, room. Proceed with caution. Okay. Exit is right over there. Okay. Room. So those are the rooms. That's the entrance. I guess that's where we are, I think. Okay. We need to go. What are this? Okay, so that's whistle. This. Oh, flashlight. Okay. That's where we are. So looks like we should. The rooms are kind of far away. Okay, probably just gonna go. I'm just gonna follow y'all. I'm just gonna follow these two right here. So I guess you can't run in the game. It's kinda sad. Oh wait, there's another room. This is totally not creepy. It's so dark in here. I'm so sorry. I just closed that. Oh my gosh. Get in. Okay, that's creepy. That's so creepy. Okay, that's so... Oh my gosh. Oh. Watch out. Dude, oh my gosh. Okay, my volume is a little too loud. Why don't I just... Oh! I did not know that there was gonna be another train coming. Okay, we get unlimited life at least. Oh! Another... Okay, one. Okay. We're gonna go. Run. Y'all better not leave me. I'm gonna cry. I see them. Over here. I didn't know it was behind me. Okay. Oh, we got GPS. Okay, so that's... Wait, home. Okay, I guess this is our house right there. Okay, okay. Okay, just turn on my graphics up. Oh. Yeah, definitely work better with graphics higher. Okay, I don't know what these people are doing. Oh! Okay, what am I doing, bruh? What am I even doing? Look both ways before... Oh my gosh. I didn't even see it coming. But oh my gosh. Oh. I was about to say look both ways before crossing the road. I didn't know there was another one behind me. Look both ways before crossing the road. That's how you cross the road, children. How? How? Now look pull up with the fuse. Okay. Guys, I don't know where... Okay, that's the end of the wall. What now? Literally, I'm about to cry. That's what's now. I don't know where to go. Hi, sisters! Oh. These trains are way too fast, okay? Oh my gosh. Wait, is that somebody? Hey! Nalu! Just gonna follow him because I'm so bad at horror games. Okay, let's just go. Oh my gosh. Where do we go, Nalu? Where's the other person? Wait, is this a room? Okay, I'm gonna go in here. Oh my gosh. I made it. It's just the same room. Oh my gosh. Wait, it's Nalu. You just really gotta look everywhere. We literally have a good compass right here that I'm not even using. Nalu, okay, Nalu's right in there. Oh my gosh. Run. I hate this game. Bruh. I already died 9 times. Is that a room? Oh my gosh, faster. Bruh, do I just keep going the same room? Okay, we need to go. Okay. I'm not even using my compass. I don't know how to use it. Oh my gosh. Okay, where are the others? Oh my gosh, I found something. Yes. What? I just found something and I finally found something and I just died. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to go back to the place. I don't know where to... I hate this, bro. Oh, I keep dying. Oh my gosh, I actually hate this. Okay. Oh. Bro. Oh, wait. I didn't even touch it, dude. Probably did, but... Oh, come on. Where are the other people? Where are the other guys? Oh my gosh. Seriously, dude. I just died. Okay, I think it's in... Yes, it's there. Okay. Okay, faster, hurry. Okay, yes, I made it. I'm just gonna whistle so hopefully the others can see me. Dude, how can I get up here? I don't think I can. Can I like move this? Okay, I can't do that. Can't do anything with it, so what? Do I just look at it? Is there like an entrance here somewhere? There's nothing. Okay, that's just useless. Great. Is that something over there? Okay, I'm not sure. Wait, there is a wall. Oh my gosh. There's a... What is that? Yeah, let's go. Okay. Ugh, I hate this. Where are the others? Oh my gosh. I just avoided the... Oh my gosh. No, there's just the same one. No. Where's like a different one? Oh my gosh. Is it in here? No, it doesn't look like it. Okay. Where are the others? Hello? Dude, don't tell me they just left. Oh my gosh, please don't tell me they just left. Oh my gosh, I died again. Okay, seriously, did they... Okay, seriously, but did they leave though? They literally just left. Bro, I don't think I can do this. Bruh. If I die one more time, the video ends. Oh my gosh, okay, if I die one more time, the video ends. No, I'm just gonna stop the video when I die. Wait, this is the one, oh my gosh. This is the one that, I think this is the one that I'm trying to find. Yeah! Hurry up, hurry up. Yes, this is the one that I found. Service room? Dude, I can't even open it. Ugh, I can't even open it. Oh my gosh, run. Okay, I died. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe.